Welcome in, welcome in. What's everyone doing? The sea of green, baby. Welcome in, guys. We're going to be talking about what's going on. Why are we seeing this pump right now? It's kind of going crazy right now in the crypto market. This is the bubbles, right? These are the top 100 cryptos right now. We're going to break down each and every one of them basically as a whole because they're all being kind of influenced by the same few things. So I'm going to share with you guys what's going on. As you guys all get into the chat, make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button. I want to tell you exactly why I think the market's moving because I don't know if you guys looked at your bags, but things are looking up, okay? So it would take some time. We knew that, but this may be the start of it. So I want to talk to you guys. I had to go live. People were eating dinner, but I just needed to take a step away and go live with you guys because we are looking at a sea of green, okay? So welcome in, guys. Mark here. Let's talk some crypto. We got a lot of people live in the chat. Make sure you guys all smash that like button. Hit those three dots if you can. That's what we have to do here on YouTube. Let everyone here know that we are live. If you don't do that, it basically kills the stream. So appreciate you guys. Who do we got here watching? Let me know in the comments. Say hello. Drop a name down below. I can't see who's in the chat until somebody actually comments. But we have a outstanding day of crypto, and quite frankly, guys, I've been making videos every single day for you guys. And when the market is up, it's fun. But what it's been going on lately, it has not been quite so fun. So it's harder, it's easier when it's like this. So I wanted to take the time to kind of go over what's going down. We have a lot of things to talk about. Everything's running. So if you guys want to know about crypto in specific, it's basically going to be all the same stuff. So I'm going to try to share with you guys what exactly is going on. I'm going to pull up here a chart real quick. But welcome in. Hassan, welcome. Welcome. MD. We got a doctor in the house. Okay, so here's what we got going on. All right. So basically, everything in crypto is booming. I don't know if you guys can see this well on your screen. Memes are running. I'll pull up the chart. This is a little easier to see it this way. Okay. Look at these movers. Look at Ethereum having a great week, 23%. Welcome in, guys. Make sure you all smash that like button. We're going to be talking a lot of crypto here. I'm going to try to go live for a half hour, get you guys out of here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But just in the last hour, look at these movers we got. It is a sea of green, and what we have going on is inflows. Inflows. I think a lot of the big players out there are playing chess while a lot of people are playing checkers. And what it comes down to is, this is what I was telling you guys about. This is where the FOMO starts. Yes, this could just be a one-day pump, and then you guys can comment on my videos tomorrow and say, it was all for nothing. Why did you go live? Why did you have to tell us all this stuff? It was all for nothing. Well, look at this day. Look at this day. Okay, I'm not making this up. I'd love to be, but I'm not. PEPE, 19%. We're seeing some big movers. All the AI cryptos, memes, 10%. Basically, everything is up 10% or more, okay? So I want to share with you guys why the market's moving, but I need to get more likes in the house. We need to have 10 likes. We got over 100 people live right now watching. There we go. Keep them coming. All right, so this is what we got going on, all right? Huge inflows. This is the big thing going on, okay? And you have to understand, this is what I was trying to tell you. The big bets are coming in on crypto, okay? We're seeing Bitcoin hit almost 70K. What happens if Bitcoin hits all-time highs? What if we hit 74 again? That will cause a mass frenzy in the markets, in my opinion. Okay, and all those people out there that have been playing Bitcoin on leverage, they're cashing in right now. This is when things start getting interesting. The market's heating up, and we're seeing Ethereum. Oh my gosh, Ethereum, 9%. That is a huge move for ETH, okay? I had a lot of stable that I converted to ETH kind of over the last month, right? Because Ethereum down below 3K at times was just way too low. I kind of treat Ethereum in some way like a stable, but especially when ETH is down, it's just easy money. It really beats anything you can get with interest returns, 4%, whatever you get from your banks, even if they're good, stable bank rates. That's just my way of doing things. It's not financial advice, obviously. But this is kind of what we're looking. It's huge because we're seeing a lot of optimism. Okay, and the biggest thing going on right now is the inflows. Bitcoin ETFs, they're starting to come in, and I know Jerome Powell has a little bit of COVID, but for those of you that missed the minutes, the April CPI report, definite softening. They want to lower rates. That's my take. Okay. I know this is all timing up, right? We see this happen, and then we get into September, and it's 2 months before it's right before the election. That's how it happens. That's how it happens. It's all market manipulation, and the crypto summers are usually low. They're usually down times, and this is kind of where we see all this heightened kind of behind the scenes stuff. And this is where huge movers are making money. All right. And I'm going to pull something up for you guys. I know you guys trade crypto. Let me pull up my other monitor here for a second. Okay. So here's what we're looking at. I mean, look at some of the memes. This is Brett, for example. Brett is, in my opinion, going to be one of the bigger players on Base chain. It's one of my biggest meme coin bets I have. You can see right here all-time highs. We almost hit just briefly 9 cents, and now we're looking at 5.3. So this is a big come up from where we were at just a couple weeks ago, guys. And that was at that 3 cents. I mean, so just in like 3 weeks, a lot of our memes, we are just absolutely booming. I mean, that's almost a 300% just in a couple weeks. So Brett is one of my biggest bets that I have personally. I know that's a lot of B's, but it's just kind of how I'm playing it. So if you guys check out Brett, there's a couple other plays that I'm on. I'll share them with you guys if you want to know. But let's get some likes in the chat. We got over 100 people here live. Smash that like button, guys. That's one way. These are totally free live streams. And here we go. Now you guys are throwing some zingers out of me. I got to look at some of these. Ordi. Okay, so Ordi's is a big one. Okay, that is one that a lot of people are looking at. I mean, you look at it on a day. I think I saw. I don't know if they were quite up 10%, but they're definitely moving. That's one where a lot of my people that I talk to in chats and stuff, they're big on Ordi. Ordinals is definitely a big play. How they're going to be affected by some of the spins, right? I think that a lot of people are spinning off of the Bitcoin market, and it's not because Bitcoin's boring, but it's just something where I think that it just needs a new makeover, right? A lot of people are saying Ordi could hit some crazy numbers. Okay. Yeah, welcome in, guys. A lot of people here, a lot of familiar names. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you all smash that like button as well. We're going to be rattling off some, okay? But yeah, Ordi is a huge play for many, okay? Huge play for many, so I'm bullish on that for sure. This is something, too, where you look at the price. I'll pull up the chart for you guys. Hold on, let me find it on my sheet. Okay, this will be CoinMarketCap. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bear with me. But, I mean, they're a top 100 crypto. And that's kind of where you want to be, in my opinion, if you want to look at some crazy ways to make gains. Don't be looking in the top 10, top 15. Yes, they're great plays, great cryptos, great projects, whatever you want to call them. But the all-time chart for Ordi is bullish, for sure. A lot of people are thinking it could hit over 100. Definite mover. But yeah, I think AI cryptos, gaming cryptos, all in that like sweet spot. So like 25 is like anything below 25th in market cap, and you can go even lower and then get just slightly outside that top 100, and you could find some winners for sure. I mean, if we hit the bull market like we're supposed to, like all the cyclical data shows within historical trends within Bitcoin, that's where we definitely can see a lot of gains from some of the cryptos that not a lot of people know about, not a lot of people invest in, not a lot of people, but we'll get in that territory where you can start throwing darts. Okay, so let's get in this. Atlas Navi, full transparency, no clue about that one. And then FFIE Dolph. Let's look into that one. Is that a small cap? Or is that just a stock? No, that's a Faraday Future. Is that what you're talking about? Let me know down below in the comments. We'll circle back to that one. Yeah, Shiba. Yeah, I don't really cover stocks here, so I can't really speak on that. But thanks for the tip. I'll check it out for my own investing. Definitely appreciate that. So we got to look at SHIB. Yeah, SHIB and Doge. I mean, those are safe bets within memes for sure. I think what SHIB's trying to do is strategically timed perfectly. That's just kind of my sense. It's I don't want to say boring, but they haven't done what they wanted to in terms of people just grabbing onto it, right? 2021 was extremely hot, right? Didn't matter what SHIB was doing. SHIB could be making, like shit coins, and nobody would have cared. People would have threw money at SHIB left and right. But now they're actually getting into what they're meant to do. I think one of the biggest things about SHIB going right now that nobody's talking about, and they're really down on the chart. Full disclosure, they did. I did do a sponsored video for them, so I do have to disclose that in transparency. But I want to show you guys something real quick. This is something where I think this is a long-term play for me. This is like 2-year play, okay? This is K9 Finance. So if you guys are familiar with Lido, what they did with ETH within liquid staking, I mean, I know this chart just completely bottomed out, but I'm holding on to it. I got it on launch somewhere around here, so I'm not really down too much, but I definitely think that they're going to have an opportunity to come back up. So that's one. If you guys are looking for a bottom feeder and you want to get back into something like longer term play, I know it's not like hot and it's not running right now, but I do think K9 Finance, they're doing a lot of cool stuff in terms of what their vision is and what they can bring to the SHIB ecosystem. Okay. But yeah, I definitely think you guys are safe within SHIB and SHIB and Doge. I think Doge is a sleeping giant right now. In terms of my channel, I kind of have both. I kind of have both going on. A lot of SHIB following, a lot of Doge out there as well. So, but I mean, like, look at SHIB's chart. Look at SHIB's chart. What's up, T? Thank you. Welcome. So yeah, I mean, like, this is SHIB's chart, and obviously this is back in the boom, and then all of a sudden, guys, the rest is history. But it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. I know this is kind of descending. It looks bearish, but you kind of have to go down before you can go up too, right? This was all retail FOMO, a lot of GME fueled kind of FOMO, like I said. But we're at that 2.5, 2.9 level, and it's up almost 6% on the day. But SHIB is definitely one of those plays where, I mean, look at just right here, where if you can see this plus sign, we were about to touch brush around 4, get above 4, get even higher than that. And I know we got a long ways to go for all-time highs. I'll show you the kind of the way zoomed out chart so you guys can get that in perspective. But this past year was pretty decent for SHIB. I think for what the market was like, it's something where a lot of people are kind of like, okay, they just expect too much. Okay, but like this is the all-time chart for SHIB, right? So we know where all-time highs were. Okay, that 407282. But relatively speaking, if we can get back to 3 even, I mean, just being close to all-time highs or 50% of all-time highs in this market is okay. It's okay. Because I think SHIB, I think Doge, those are long-term memes. A lot of the memes, like even if I tell you guys like, hey, I'm getting in this pre-sale, hey, I'm buying this crypto, I'm not really married to those meme coins, right? You kind of have to have a system. I've learned the hard way. I want to get wins on I want to have more wins than losses, okay? And that's just the reality of it, okay? Like you don't want to have 1 out of 10 hit rate within meme coins. Yes, you can be profitable doing that if some of them are home runs, but I've learned to kind of take those 2, 3, 4, 5 X's and accumulate them, okay? So if I can get into 10 meme coins and lose on 5 and then 2, 3, 4, 5X from launch in just a couple days, couple weeks, okay, and then get out, that's how I do it. I rinse, wash, repeat, and then I can stack those 5 3X's, and then all of a sudden, guys, that's my 15X. That's my 15X I just made in the crypto market, and I'm on to the next one. That's how I play it. It's been a working strategy. Back in the bear market, no, it wasn't. We all got wrecked. So it's just kind of how it is. But appreciate you guys rocking with me. We've been going live for about 20 minutes now. If you can, do me a solid. Make sure you guys all smash that like button and please subscribe. We talk crypto every single day on the channel. Appreciate you guys all watching the live stream. But if you want some more longer term content, make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Also, while I got you guys all live in the chat, I will take some time to talk about another channel sponsor. If you do any leverage trading, I have a link below in the description. If you click that link, it'll take you over to Margex. That is my leverage trading platform. There's no KYC. There is a sign-up bonus if you get on board. But if you guys want to trade on leverage, use my link down below because you do get, I think, a sign-up bonus, 20% maybe, just for signing up and starting trading with Margex. A lot of people have been trading some long positions on BTC, and this is a day where a lot of those traders are cashing in. It is something with risk, but it is a avenue that a lot of traders do have a lot of success with doing so. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Obviously, do your own research and due diligence and make the best decision for you. But that is what we have going on in terms of a channel sponsor. If you guys want to help out, sign up with Margex today, okay? Anything else you guys want to drop below in the comments, welcome in. We got a lot of people rocking with us. Like I said, make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button too. It's get over 100 people. We only have 7 likes. That's kind of sad, but it is what it is. Pi Network, yes. I actually just heard a story. I have a friend that was doing that and never said anything about doing so, and has made some. There's a lot of people that made a lot of money using Pi Network. I think that's the mining, right? Yeah. So I don't know if it's dead, but there are a lot of people that have been kind of, I guess, I don't know if it's a scam. I don't know what it is, but a lot of people from where they were at all-time high, there's a lot of people that were definitely up a lot with Pi Network. Kind of just silly mining, right? Coming Storm, appreciate you, brother. Thank you. UTS. Sorry, can you explain to me what that means? Sorry, forgive me. And that's kind of the different thing with this cycle versus last cycle. There is, I'm sorry. Okay, now that makes more sense. Yeah, so the thing is, within this cycle versus last too, I'll share some with you about that. there is just a ton more cryptos. I mean, it has to, I don't know what if it's tenfold, 20-fold, I don't know what that exponential multiplier is, but it is just like a whole different ball game. You know, we had to go off of maybe 1,000 cryptos back then, and now it's probably more closer to 100,000. So that's another big difference that I've been noticing, right? It's hard to keep up with everything that's launching, so on and so forth. No, I can't help you find your 9 baby daddies. So thank you for coming in here and getting a laugh out of the group. Appreciate you. But anything else you guys want to drop down below? I appreciate you guys. Try to keep this short and sweet. Like I said, if we don't have a lot of people hit that like button, YouTube kind of quits sending it out to people. Yeah, so no, I'm not in jail. I actually have a pretty nice thing going on. So welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. And hopefully, you know, if you're tuning in from prison, hopefully you got good internet there, because oh yeah, SHIB. Well, that's the thing, man. Coming storm. That's the thing about the meme coins. Go on. I mean, we'll pull it up here. I'll show you some coin market cap stuff. Meme coins are totally unpredictable, and that's truthfully what I love about them. Okay, so here is the meme coin market cap, right? So look at this move that we've had. 60% trading volume uptick. We've had 9% up on the day. And I mean, this is just, it kind of speaks for itself, but it's just crazy. All the attention that we get from some of the big movers, right? Like PEPE. PEPE's making moves, and they just hit all-time highs. But you look at them, and relatively speaking, they're a third of Shiba Inu. That is just crazy. So, you know, that's another thing you got to put in perspective. That market cap is being split around, right? I call it like the retail pie. There's only so much of that pie to go around. So, you know, back in 2021, we were dividing that pie between basically Doge and SHIB. Now, 2024, it's Doge, SHIB, PEPE, Dog with Hat, Bonk, Floki, right? Add in Brett. I mean, Brett is going to be a big mover once Coinbase wallet gets, you know, fully activated within that. And that's kind of how I look at it, man. It's just, we have so many more cryptos that pie is just shifted around. So, you know, like I said, we were just taking like 2 slivers, Doge and SHIB, and now there's just, it's the same size pie essentially, but there's more slices. So the big thing us as traders that we have to keep in perspective is we're still early, but we need more market cap. We need more adoption. We need more users, wallets, all that stuff, okay? Yeah, everybody wants SHIB to drop a 0, and for them to do that, you know, that's basically 400% from here, and also that would be all-time highs. So, you know, you have to understand when people come out with these outlandish price predictions, right? For example, Shiba Inu is going to go to 1 penny. I mean, you got to do some basic math on that one and realize that's kind of just not in the cards, okay? And that's not FUD against SHIB. It's just being realistic. But sorry, I got some allergies going on, so apologies for that if you hear me sniffling. I don't know where you guys are at, but the allergies this year are just absolutely crazy. But yeah, Pi Network, that's crazy that you brought that up, because literally we just talked about last night. I was on a phone call. We just talked about Pi. It came up, so. Welcome in, though, everyone. Please subscribe, smash that like button. Also, I talked a little bit about Margex, channel sponsor. If you guys want to get hooked up with trading with leverage, use my link down below. Just for registering, you can claim up to a $10,000 bonus. So make sure you guys all do that if you want to start trading with leverage. Anything else? Kind of fizzling out. We've been going 25 minutes. Sometimes they get a little resurgence, but these YouTube shorts, it's a great quick way to go live and talk to you guys. But sometimes it's hit or miss. It's more so on the day. I thought this would get a little bit better with the market activity, but apparently crypto's hit or miss. Some people trade it like the stock market, and they shut down after 5 o'clock. So it's kind of how it works a little bit. But yeah, I shared a couple of them. The one that I'm kind of big on right now, there's a lot of Solana meme coins I'm in, but this is one that I am definitely bullish on. I'm going to try to get it into the 2-hour chart, show you guys some stuff. It's Brett. Brett is kind of my darling, probably one of my biggest meme coin holdings I got right now, outside of the big ones. Like this is, I guess you would still call it somewhat of a smaller meme coin play. We're down a little bit from all-time highs, but that chart's bullish. We're having a little bit of a resurgence. $529 million market cap. But I just don't think that a lot of people really trade on base network yet. And I've been hearing a lot of people having some success on Kronos, crypto.com. Do you guys use that? Do you do any Kronos meme coins? Let me know in the comments if you do. I'm hearing that's kind of like exploding right now quietly behind the scenes. The market is artificially inflated. I tend to agree, but that's okay because that will cause a lot of FOMO, and then more users, more people get back in the game, and then the institutions, they're gonna not let the market die out. They're gonna pump it. It's cyclical, right? That's how it's always been historically. But as long as we maintain a net direction of going this way, it all works out in the end. But yeah, I mean, if you want to buy gold and silver, people have been doing that for decades. So, but yeah, guys, 30 minutes. That's about it for me. I got to go eat some dinner with the family. Appreciate you guys. Rock with me. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Like I said, get signed up with Margex. Link down below in the description. If you guys want to start leverage trading, use that platform. A lot of traders have been doing the copy trading feature in that as well. So if you don't know how to do it, kind of takes the guesswork out of it. Check that one out. I always do your own research, so make sure it's right for you and what you want to do with your own personal finance. So yeah, appreciate you guys. I'll be looking at some of the comments. I'll try to get to you guys later on if I missed anybody. But like I said, signing off. Appreciate you rocking with me in this live stream. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.